This video we're utilising the Hydrojaw 2000 to proof load test glued in anchor points. Grab the Hydrojaw, grab the circular load spreading bridge and ensure the openings marry up or line up. Grab the two socket head cap screws, place them inside the circular load spreading bridge, and they will screw in to the 2 points shown here and here. Grab the Allen key from the box, check that the screws line up, and then begin fastening the screws into the Hydrojaw 2000. These screws only need to be hand tight, and you'll see that we're just checking that the pulling jaw is completely down towards the base. Grab your M20 threaded stud adapter, check that it fits, and then move to the davit base itself. Fit your 25 kN test gauge. The exposed thread for the M20 adapter to fit correctly must be at least equal to the diameter of the anchor or threaded rod. Fix down the adapter onto the threaded rod, place the Hydrojaw onto the adapter, ensuring that the load is evenly spread between the three legs. Ensure that the gauge is on 0. Grab your M22 ratchet spanner and adjust the red maximum indicator needle or pointer is on 0 as well. Begin using the operator nut to bring the load to the desired proof load as shown on the design drawing. This proof load will need to be held for at least 2 minutes as per manufacturer's recommendations. You may find that there will be minimal fallback while you're actually waiting for the 2 minutes to be completed. If this happens, simply grab your ratchet spanner and adjust the needle back to the desired proof load, and once again, ensure that the pressure status is held on the gauge for at least 2 minutes. Once the proof load has been sustained for the complete 2 minutes, you are free to move onto the next anchorage point. You can simply do this by backing off the operating nut, releasing the tension on the Hydrojaw, and moving the threaded adapter to the next stud. If the davit base is mounted on a load spreading adapter, you will need to test all 8 studs to the appropriate load. If you find any of the studs do not sustain or hold the load for the complete 2 minutes, the davit base will need to be tagged out and reported. As you can see, each stud must go through the same test procedure. Tighten up, ensure the gauge holds, and then release. Once the job's complete, return all the equipment to the appropriate locations in the box, placing the gauge in its allocated spot, M20 thread adapter into its hole, M22 ratchet spanner, and if you require any information whilst out in sight, the manuals will be located as you'll see here in the lid. This can be referenced on the job if required.